So let's have a look at the paper trays on the Canon TS705A. We supply this printer as an edible printer, and we supply proofing paper and various media to print on. So at the back we've got a rear paper tray, and it's adjustable to take different sheet sizes. You've also got an extendable tray here. This is where we would put heavyweight media and icing sheets, and it's purely because it's got a straight path through the printer, and as the print head comes across, it prints on the top surface. The straight path allows for heavier weight papers, heavier gauge papers. Now when we're using an icing sheet, you've got a front ledge, or you've got a small lip that has no icing on it. That goes in the downward position. And as I've already said, because it's a straight through path through the printer and it's printing on the top, you've got your printable surface face forward. On this printer you've also got a front paper tray. We recommend you use this for the lighter weight papers. Again, it's adjustable. You can adjust different sizes, but we're going to, and different widths. So it basically takes different size papers. We're just going to put some of our proofing paper in, and we've got the printable surface down, face down. We'll bob that in, and I'll explain that a little bit more now. When you pull paper in from the front, it comes into the printer and then it reverses itself before it prints. So that is why you would have your paper surface, printable surface, face down. Make certain that you close this guard, or else the printer's going to throw an error. So that covers your two paper trays, input paper trays. You've also got your output tray, and all you do is slide that out and ready to go. But I'm going to leave it in because we've had a couple of people call us saying that they've got errors when they turn the printer on, and it does relate to the paper tray. Let's see what happens here when we turn this on. Let the printer fire up. Ah, there we go, it's thrown an error. What's it saying? Paper tray, output tray, located at the front, support code 1250. All you would do for that, if you forget to pull it out, and hit the OK button. And that's that error code gone. You're now good to print.